I played Demonology with 3 friends. The one is the guy that I played with playing things and people. And this is a collab with EAA Plays.
Can you ready up, please?
Yeah, ready up. Collab video. Guys, this is a collab video.
I give up. Tapos gonna do a quick voice reveal, y'all. Hold up, let me make a voice reveal. None of y'all talk.
Okay.
I'm gonna go. Adi, remember what I did on my first video, the parkour?
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna
Oh,
do
no.
another parkour. I'm gonna go to the light tower game. That's where I did the parkour.
Guys,
At the very end, I will fling you. I'm telling you.
No, I'm not even gonna do the whole thing, bro. That's too tall.
Voice reveal.
Okay, everyone, be quiet. I swear, if you wanna feel top, I am gonna
Jesse,
be.
mute.
I'm
He
gonna
is doing his voice reveal.
Okay, let's be quiet now. 3, 2, 1.
Kaya pa siguro. Okay, bye.
I forgot. No one can hear my actual voice. Iklan Lala, can you be quiet?
we need to do media and mic while screen while recording. Oh
Wait,
shoot.
first of all, my sound system has
Guys,
microphone.
we'll be
Wait,
just
I'm
doing this obby.
Okay, you and Andy can go in the obby while they continue.
Ah!
Okay, everyone, starting from 3, 2, 1, be quiet, okay? 3,
Oh my, guys, I almost slipped. Guys, this is
Okay, everyone, this is my real voice. I'm a 9-year-old. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm done with it now. Time to go to CapCut.
I just screen recorded, guys. Yeah, I just screen recorded.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna make my video now. I'm a 9-year-old. I said I'm a 9-year-old, guys.
That's like
Let me
That's-
listen. Is there any
that's-
sound?
oh my. Guys, I'm just gonna make this one. Oh no!
You know what, guys? I'm not even gonna say I'm a 9-year-old, bro.
Guys,
This is my
since I lost, I'll end the video. Bye bye.